My name is William Zambrano. This is Michelle Gonzalez. She's the broker for Floridian Realty, and I am a realtor for Floridian Realty. We're going to be talking about buying and selling and why buying is preferable than leasing. So right now, if this is your first time following us, please follow, share, like. So Michelle, thank you for being here.
Thank you for joining us.
So I have a lot of clients, and they are either buying or they're leasing. And basically the one question I get the most is, why is buying better in today's market than leasing? So you have any input in that you can share?
Well, the buy versus rent scenario is a really important one. So the first one is the tax savings. Then we're going to go into pride of ownership. And third, we're going to go into the long-term savings of it. So the first really important thing is that you're doing tax savings. When you purchase a property, you're paying interest on a mortgage, and that interest becomes deductible on your tax returns. So when you purchase a property next year, when you do your tax returns, instead of getting back maybe $1,000, $2,000, $3,000, you might get back $4,000. So you're gonna increase the money that you get back from the government, because what you pay on a monthly basis is basically, it's semi-tax deductible. When you pay rent, you're not paying a mortgage company, you're not paying interest, you're paying a landlord directly. So the landlord is the one that's getting a savings versus you as a tenant or the renter. So tax savings, number one. Number two, pride of ownership. It is very important when you purchase a property that you take care of a property, right? Because you're paying for it. When you rent a property, sometimes there is no pride of ownership because you say, well, I'm paying this, but at the end of the day, it's not mine. So pride of ownership means that you're gonna paint the outside, you're gonna paint the inside, you're gonna take care of the property because you're happy. You're enjoying this property that you own, and you're saving money on your taxes. The last one is savings. It's a long-term savings plan. If you rent a property and you're paying $1,500 a month, when you multiply all the time that you're spending in that property, that you're paying a month, and you're not saving, at the end of 2 years, 5 years living in this property, you really have nothing. You only have your deposit that you had given at the initial part. So when you purchase a property, it's a long-term savings plan. You bought a property for $100,000, $200,000, $300,000, and as you go paying every month, that debt becomes smaller and smaller. Let's say you go and sell that property in 10 years, well, you're hopefully gonna make a large amount of money, be it $10,000, $20,000, but you didn't lose like in renting. These are my 3 important points of buying versus renting. I hope that I answered your questions.
Thank you so much for answering that question. And please stay tuned for other videos. We're going to be talking about very good topics in Floridian Realty. Our description, you're going to find our contact, our email, and all our information. Please follow and call if you have any questions. Thank you again for tuning in, and have a good day.